Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can add a zooming effect in your video. So in this demonstration I want to create a zooming effect that's basically going to focus on this person, the guy that's wearing the red hoodies, and basically I want to zoom in the camera to that particular area. So it's going to be this section of the video, and in Filmora there are multiple ways to achieve that. So let's start with the simplest method that I think quite intuitive, but also probably not the best. But still, if you are beginners, I think this method is probably good enough. Now what you need to do is that you have to right click, and then you have to click crop and zoom, and then here you want to click pan and zoom. Click on that. So this is the start and this is the end. So basically from here to here. So for the end I'm going to make it a bit bigger, and I will try to focus precisely in the middle on this guy. And when you're done, you can click apply and just play the video to see the effect. Now let's give it a shot. So it is moving very slowly, and if you have short clip this is going to be a lot faster, but certainly for me at least this is not really the best, and there are many other things that we can do to make it better. So let's remove that effect. I'm going to right click, crop and zoom, and just go back to the normal crop method and click apply. Now the video is now back to normal. Now let's play around with something called keyframes. So keyframe is used to be advanced mode, but I think it's not that difficult, especially for adding some zooming effect. So what you need to do is that you have to click on the keyframe, click here, this button, it should be right here. If you don't see one, then you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt and then left click on the area where you want the keyframe to start. So I'm going to start the zooming from here, so let's click that. Now I'm going to move the slider, move the playhead maybe around here, and then if you go to the video section right here, I'm going to increase the scale of the video, so it's going to zoom in the video. Click here, so maybe around here, and I guess I have to focus on this section of the video. Nice. Now let's see the result. This is we have two keyframes, and I'm going to put the video playhead right here, and let's play the video. Okay, it's zooming in and it's going to stop right here when the keyframe stops. And yeah, it stays there, it doesn't continue the zooming effect unlike the previous method. Now honestly it's okay, but we can make it better by adding some easing out effects. So basically it's kinda boring, it's just zooming in slowly and then it stops. I don't like it, so let's add some really cool effect to these keyframes. Now I'm going to click this and let me magnify. So I'm going to click this, I'm going to press the keyboard shortcut, sorry, not keyboard shortcut, I'm going to press the keyboard key Control, I'm going to select this and then this. So there are two keyframes being selected. I'm going to right click, I'm going to click bezier curve, and there are multiple options to try, but if you want to smooth it out, then try ease in or ease out. I think ease out is better here, and it's going to open this keyframe settings, which honestly I don't use very often. So I'm going to close it by clicking on this icon. So if you want to close it again, you can actually use the keyboard shortcut Alt Shift and then K. So Alt Shift K to close this interface. There you go. Now let's play the video again. Let me put it here. So it's zooming in and it's kind of slowing down and it stops. Now to make it more obvious, I'm going to make the keyframes close together. Let's try it again. Really cool. Now I want to try zooming out again. So let's try. I'm going to add a keyframe to as the starting point, and I'm going to move the playhead maybe around here, and I'm going to reset to 100% scale to normal, and again I'm going to apply the same effect, the same bezier curve, ease out, and I'm going to press the keyboard shortcut Alt Shift and then the letter K on the keyboard, Alt Shift and K, and let's play the video again. zooming in, it's going to zoom out. It's very smooth. So just 4 keyframes, it's just enough to make the video look a lot smoother and very professional. So that's basically it. That's how you can create really cool zooming effect in your video in Filmora. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.